Coming in, Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's video has been posted by TMC leader Sushmita Deb. Now, in this particular video, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary talks about BJP being better than TMC. So, in this video, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has put BJP over allied TMC. Apparently, in the video, he talks about how giving vote to Bharatiya Janata Party is better than TMC. This video has been shared by Sushmita Deb. Remember, the INDI alliance comprises of the Congress and the TMC as well. When it comes to election campaigning, when it comes to West Bengal, clearly there is no alliance because Mamata Banerjee announced that her party is going solo as far as the Lok Sabha elections are concerned. Now, another video here coming in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary where the TMC MP in her tweet says Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says it's better to vote for the BJP than the TMC.
এটা বিধানসভা নির্বাচন নয়, এটা লোকসভা নির্বাচন। দেশের নির্বাচন, এই দেশের নির্বাচনে আজ আমাদের এই ভবিষ্যৎ দেশ কেমন হবে, এই দেশ এরকম থাকবে কিনা তার সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়ার নির্বাচন। এলাকার মানুষ নিশ্চয়ই আপনারা ধর্মনিরপেক্ষ এবং গণতান্ত্রিক শক্তির পক্ষে ভোট দেবেন। মোদির মুখ শুকিয়েছে দিনের পর দিন, মোদির আগের মতো তেজ আর নেই। প্রথম মোদি বলছিল 400 নাকি সিট পার করে দেবে, इस बार 400 पार। এখন আর মোদির সে বাতালা নেই। সার্ভে বলছে মোদির এই মুহূর্তে 100 সিট মোদির হাত থেকে বেরিয়ে গেছে, আরো সিট কমার দিকে চলেছে। তাই ভুল করবেন না, কংগ্রেস এবং বামকে জেতানো জরুরি। কংগ্রেস এবং বাম যদি না জেতে ভারতবর্ষের ধর্মনিরপেক্ষতা আঘাত পাবে। তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিতে না। তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে অনেক ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিয়ে দেওয়া। তাই তৃণমূলকে নয়, বিজেপিকে নয়, সর্বসময়ের সর্ববছর সারা বছরে সুখ দুঃখের ভরসা বকুল আপনাদের পাশে থাকবে। আপনারাই বিজেপিকে সমর্থন করবেন।
Shreya and Shivani are joining us in the broadcast. Let me first go across to Shreya. Shreya, first Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says better to vote for BJP. Then he says make no mistake, not TMC, not BJP, vote for our candidate. What is he really trying to say in this video? First, help us understand that.
You know, we have to understand that this was Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary campaigning for their candidate Martuja Hussain, who is also nicknamed as Bokul, in Lalgola yesterday. Now, he has been the candidate for the Jangipur seat and he has also been supported by the left in the state of West Bengal. Now, first of all, we have seen that in West Bengal,
okay, there was all right. Stay on with us, Shreya. We have Babul Supriyo joining us in the broadcast. What do you make of this appeal that came in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary? Sushmita Deb has shared this video and she says that the Congress party and some of its leaders seem to be becoming BJP's loyal soldiers.
Well, that's very true. It felt so in Bengal as well. I think Adhirda, better senses have prevailed. When the there was no seat sharing, which our leader Mamata said several times. There was no seat sharing talk that happened in West Bengal, and Adhirda actually was helping the BJP by fighting against Trinamool in Kolkata. In Bengal, rather. So the India bloc were together in a lot of states. In Bengal, it was like in one hand you had Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi talking to Mamata Didi in Delhi about how we are going to fight BJP together. At the same time, on the same day, you had Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary saying weird stuff in Kolkata. So that's the reason the alliance did not happen. I think that he has at least better senses of prevail, but I genuinely feel that in order to fend off communal forces, everyone should come together, which our Honorable Chief Minister said several times, and I think Adhirda at last is speaking the right language. But I think it's a little too late. Let's see how it transpires.
Okay.
And Sushmita was absolutely correct in saying that it seemed that Congress was playing into the hands of BJP.
All right, Babul Supriyo, thank you very much for joining us with your perspective. Let me also go across to Sagarika joining us from the newsroom with more political reactions coming in. Yes, Sagarika.
So the Trinamool Congress, Swati, as you just heard from Babul Supriyo, is going hammer and tongs against the Congress party. Remember, in this election season, it is the Trinamool Congress that has fired the B-team charge at the Congress party and especially at Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. We'll have to contextualize what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said. But first up, let's actually take you through the responses of TMC MPs. Saket Gokhale Gokhale says that finally from the B team's horse's mouth, Congress Bengal chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary publicly asks people in his rally to vote for the BJP and not the Trinamool Congress, while Mamata Banerjee fights against the full might of Modi plus central agencies machinery. Bengal Congress is openly asking for votes for the BJP. In Bengal, TMC is in INDIA and is taking on and CPM have to become Modi's loyal soldiers. This is disgusting and beyond shameless. So scathing criticism there coming in from another Trinamool Congress MP. You already spoke about what Sushmita Dev said. But the TMC right now has tweeted about a 10-second video of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. But if you listen to his entire speech, right before saying that it is better to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party rather than voting for the Trinamool Congress, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary also goes on to say that Prime Minister Modi is losing face. He's talking about 400 par, but seems like the BJP won't even get 100. But the TMC here very strategically has chopped out that part and is escalating its conflict with the Congress in the state of West Bengal. So they are an alliance with the Congress in the INDIA bloc, but in West Bengal, the Trinamool Congress once again going after Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and calling him the BJP's B team. Swati.
Right, Sagarika, thank you for getting us those details and the analysis as well. Let me go across to Shivani. Even when the talks were going on, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was vocal in his criticism of Mamata Banerjee, Shivani, and towards the end of that speech that Sushmita Dev has shared in that video, he does say, don't vote for BJP and don't vote for TMC, vote for our candidate, for the Congress candidate.
Swati, now this particular statement of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is quite embarrassing for the party, of course, but also it's very confusing because in one sentence, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says that it's better to vote for the BJP rather than to vote for the TMC. And then in the next line, he says, don't vote for BJP, don't vote for TMC, vote for the Congress. So we have to wait and watch and get some reactions from the Congress and especially Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, what he was trying to say in this particular video. It might be a slip of tongue too. We have seen that on such occasions when Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary speaks, there are allegations from Sushmita Dev and other leaders because, you know, Sushmita was also a part of the Congress before joining, before switching the party. And Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has been getting these allegations that he is the B team of the BJP since he has been in the house for a very long time, and we've seen how he has been given reactions. And so in this particular case, we'll have to wait and watch for the reactions from Adhir Ranjan's side, from Congress side, that actually what Adhir Ranjan is saying. But this is also a fact that when we talk of this alliance, the India alliance, it has not worked in certain states. It is on it says that we are an alliance pan India, but if we talk about certain states like Kerala and West Bengal, it has just not worked. So we have to see and understand what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is trying to say when he says that better vote for BJP and not the
The TMC will definitely shared that part of the video, and TMC leaders are saying that Congress is turning into loyal soldiers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you very much, Shreya, Sagarika and Shivani, for getting us the details.